Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rachel. If you are new, you are most welcome, and if you already subscribed to my YouTube channel, you are most welcome. So guys, today is such a beautiful morning that you can see the weather is so good and beautiful. It rained here yesterday because it had taken actually a while, maybe some months without rain here, so we just bless God for this. And guys, I just want to show you how it looks like outside. And this is how it looks outside. It is a little bit dark but so beautiful. Do you check it? Very nice weather. Do you see it? This is my friend is just trying to disorganize me, but anyways guys, I don't care about him. So as you have seen this, and so guys, I'm at work right now. It's early morning. It's 7 a.m 7:16 a.m, and I already started work, so I'm just enjoying my work, the beautiful scenery, the weather here. And it's Al Ain in the UAE. So guys, we always miss this time when the rain comes to the UAE, when it rains. Yeah, so guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know what you want, and let me know what you want me to post. So guys, I love you. Thank you so much for watching, and click that bell. Please subscribe, like and share. I love you guys, and God bless you.